Welcome to Tasker Tutorials. How to use a calendar. Calendar is suitable for creating and managing tasks. You can view employees' availability and plan schedules. Now let's take a closer look. As you can see, you can use multiple filters such as task type, assigned user, role, office, status, customer, object for tasks to be seen in the calendar below. Also, you can choose if you would like to see employee or task and select Show, Don't Show Helpers agenda. Let's say I need to see particular task types and particular users. Set up filters and look at the calendar. Now you can only see tasks by selected criteria. Clear filter if you'd like to see all data again. The calendar displays the tasks over a chosen time interval, day, week, month. If you'd like to choose another month, week, or day, click forward or backward arrows. If you click the Today button, you'll be taken to the current week and month. You can easily create a new task here. Just click on the date you would like to plan a task and select New Task or Task Requests. If there are some, Task Requests automatically fills in the fields with information. You can review it and change if needed. Add user and task type, and you are good to go. The task you have created will appear in the calendar and will also be sent directly to the assigned user mobile device. You could always change planned time by simply dragging the task to another date. You could easily see task locations in the map below. Filter them by selecting completed or canceled tasks, task requests, or employees. What is more, the calendar has route planning function. If you'd like to find the most convenient route for a particular user, just click on Day View and select the assigned user. As you can see, Route checkbox appeared. Now you can mark it and the route will be visible with all tasks for today. Route will show the total distance and time. By placing the mouse over the route, you'll be able to see detailed information with the object address, distance, and predicted travel time.